Hey, morning guys. So here we are back with another Joe Marco build or video, and here we are back with my dad's computer. So I plan to upgrade him. So that's the video. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys why. So it's working right. It's working properly, right? But you noticed these are RGB fans. They're supposed to be lighting up similar to the motherboard, and they're not lighting up. So we're gonna upgrade his motherboard, and in turn his CPU and his RAM. So yeah, he's getting an upgrade from me just because his 3 RGB fans that he bought off Amazon did not work. Let's get on with this. Okay, so I just got Dad's PC onto my bench, and I'll be explaining the upgrades that he'll be getting. So recently I have upgraded my PC to AIM 5, so I had no use for the old motherboard, which is a nice B550 Aorus Pro V2 with a 5600X and 32 gigs of DDR4 3200. 32 gigs, yes. I bought it when it was $40 2 years ago. Yep, so he'll be getting all of this. And you may have noticed that his 1050 Ti is on the bottom slot. So this motherboard that he has is actually damaged, and the main PCIe slot is non-functional. So he will have that on the main slot, because this entire board works. The cooler will be moved, so we're reusing the same cooler, and the new motherboard, or his motherboard, will be moved to my server, Minecraft server. So my Minecraft server will be using his old motherboard, which is, I don't want to, I'm a advocate for reusing things. So, and the motherboard in here is an H110 HDS from ASRock, and that'll be an entirely separate video, so hopefully in the future, if that is successful. But anyways, yeah, let's get on with this transplant. And I'm super excited because I wanna make him happy. He bought RGB fans and they don't work. So yeah, let's get on with it. Oh wait, got all the parts, so you know, the cooler, his boot SSD, his Wi-Fi, his 1050 Ti, and his new motherboard. So this will be placed somewhere off to the side because we're not going to be using this, we'll be using that, and I'll be putting it in the case. That is another time lapse. Let's get this done. Let's get this done fast. Alright, just finished configuring his new motherboard into his PC, and look, it's finally booting in. But I'm not done yet. I have to do an in-place upgrade to get rid of at least most of the old Intel drivers, because now it's Intel to AMD. So I'm doing that. That will take a bit. That will take a hard while. But I'm pretty glad at least it's working. And you know, the fans are finally spinning to life. I don't know why this one is. It's like little bottom left corner is not working properly, but it's mostly working. And I'm just going through the normal Windows process. So I'll be back when this is finally done and he's home, all happy. Hey! Let's go. Check this out. It's looking better. You notice that I noticed this RGB fan has a dead zone. But hey, it works. I reinstalled Windows already. And we're into Windows. So nothing is changed. All his apps are the same. So here's his computer. Can't wait for him to come back home. Yeah, so okay, all his videos are good in CapCut. All of them are good. So he just came home. He saw it. It's pretty good. The bottom fan he doesn't mind too much, so he's pretty happy. Dad, what do you think of in honest words, what do you think of the computer upgrade?
The computer upgrade?
Yeah, the one I just did.
I like the light, but I don't notice the difference yet. Oh shoot! I don't notice the difference.
Well, yeah, because I mean, you're just editing, so yeah. Thank you, Dad. Okay, well, that's it for my dad's computer upgrade. Thanks for watching, guys. Mahalo. Woo! Bye bye.